And good day, creators. So today we are going to try and fix cracks and chips from our bowls. This is the first time I'm actually doing it, so yay, learning! So go ahead and start taking your clay and get it all ready. I've actually worked this clay a little bit before starting the video. And what I'm going to do is just take a little bit and kind of mush it into the holes. What you can also do is wet down the area. I'm just kind of pushing it down, smoothing it out. Sorry, I'll get used to the camera, guys. Making sure it's even, because do remember you're going to be sanding this out, so you want it to get it as even as possible. And see how I did that? I just flattened it with my thumb in there and that's my fingers. So I'm going to do the same thing for the inside. Kind of roll out a little guy there and just push and work my way up into the crevices. Now I'm just pushing down and just working all of that clay into those holes. I'm going to go ahead and take out some of this excess. So, took out too much. We just need a little bit more. I hope you guys can see those cracks in there. Alright, so now we just clean up. Once again, like I said, you want to make sure that it's even and non-bumpy. You don't want to make it look like you have a cover-up. So I'm just kind of rubbing against the sides there. Kind of pinch those together. Do remember the paper that you are putting in here will shrink, so you do want a little giveaway. And there we go. Push that on the sides a little bit more. So that's how you deal with a crack. What you can also do next, what I'm going to be doing is wetting my brush and just even the sides along to kind of fill in this area here so it's not so bumpy, so we don't have so much sanding to do. Now with this one, I'm not sure how I'm going to actually fix this one. So what I'm going to do is take the one that has the excess and just place that on there. Now you can either glue this piece back onto here. I mean, that's usually the easiest way you can do that. Or what you can do is what I plan on doing is remolding a new piece onto there. And just let whatever falls, falls. Oops, sorry about that. Just going to take the edge of this and kind of clean it up, just snags. Get some indentation so I can pull away that extra clay. Pat that down. Make sure you get the other sides as well. Remember, you want to smooth the clay into itself so that it has something to bond with. So just pinch those into there and kind of smooth your fingers into it. But still trying to give it an even coat. And the same thing with the back or the front, depending on how you look at it. And this is where you would fix up your edges and smooth it out with your thumbs. And that is it. So now we just fixed a chip. It was a pretty big chip, I would have to say, and it looks like it's not too bad. It's not going to need a lot of sanding. Now what you can do is leave it on here for a bit to kind of just keep this shape, or let it sit by itself. That is all up to you. I'm going to leave it on here just to keep its shape. And we fixed our crack. So go ahead and let those completely dry, and if you need to fix a little bit more, you guys know what to do. I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial, and I'll catch you guys later. Remember, find one thing that makes you smile, and happy crafting. Bye, y'all.